Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English, Love English. We're diving into a fascinating topic, personality development. What does it really take to enhance and grow your personality? Let's find out. Personality isn't just about what you present to the world. It's also about understanding and evolving yourself. Let's break down the key components needed for personality development. First up, self-awareness. Understanding your own emotions, strengths, weaknesses, and drives is crucial. It's about asking yourself, who am I? And what makes me tick? Self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth. It allows you to make more informed decisions and align your actions with your values. Next, we have communication skills. Effective communication is about expressing yourself clearly and listening to others with an intent to understand. Whether it's in your personal life or your career, how you communicate can dramatically affect your relationships and how you're perceived. Confidence. This isn't about never feeling fear. Instead, it's about believing in yourself enough to face and overcome those fears. Thank you for watching. Remember, the journey to personal development is uniquely yours. Embrace it, enjoy it, and share your progress with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.